A little more along this estuary. This is just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful. There's a road on the other side of this, at the foot of the hill there, that is sort of the back way into Guaymas from San Carlos. Beautiful road. Anyway, just look at the vegetation. Birds are having a field day today. It's about 70 degrees at the beginning of March. Definitely not Pacific Northwest weather. This is just absolutely amazing how beautiful and peaceful it is. And that's the trail that leads back to Condominios Pilars. And then beyond that is into town in San Carlos.